Welcome to Neurolink Meditation. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Let's begin. Take another deep breath, and as you exhale, allow your shoulders to soften, your jaw to release, and your entire body to settle into the support beneath you. Notice how your breath moves naturally, effortlessly, like a gentle wave rising and falling within you. There's no need to change anything. Just observe the rhythm of your breathing, the quiet hum of your body at rest. And now, bring your awareness to the space around your heart. Feel the warmth there, the gentle pulse of life. This is the center of your inner peace, the place where tranquility resides, always present, always available. You don't have to search for it. It's already here, waiting to be acknowledged. Let your mind drift now, like a leaf floating on a still pond. With each breath, the surface becomes calmer, clearer, more reflective. And as you settle into this moment, you might notice a sense of safety washing over you, a knowing that you are exactly where you need to be right now. Breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, let go of any tension you've been holding. Your body knows how to release. Your mind knows how to quiet. Your spirit knows. As you immerse yourself in this memory, notice how your body responds. Your breathing deepens. Your muscles soften. A wave of calm spreads through your chest, your shoulders, your belly. This is the feeling of inner peace, already familiar, already yours. And now, I'm going to anchor this feeling for you. Just place your hand over your heart, right where you feel the warmth of this peace. As you do, take a slow, deep breath in, and as you exhale, let that feeling of tranquility deepen. This touch, your hand on your heart, becomes a trigger, a signal to your subconscious that peace is here. Every time you bring your hand to your heart, this state of calm will return, stronger and more accessible. Now, let the memory fade gently into the background, like a cloud dissolving into a clear sky. The feeling remains anchored, alive, pulsing within you. And from this place of anchored peace, we begin to weave the affirmations that will transform your inner world. Repeat after me, silently in your mind with full presence. I am a vessel of peace. Peace flows through me with every breath. My mind is a still lake, undisturbed by the ripples of life. I am calm, centered, and whole. This peace, and now imagine a soft golden light beginning to glow in the center of your chest. This light is pure tranquility, warm, gentle, and infinitely expansive. With each inhale, this light grows brighter, spreading through your torso, your arms, your legs. This light is your inner sanctuary. No matter what happens around you, this light remains steady, unwavering, untouched by chaos or noise. You can always return to this light, this peace, this stillness. Breathe deeply now, and as you exhale, let the light expand beyond your body, filling the space around you. You are surrounded by a cocoon of calm. Nothing can disturb this peace unless you allow it. And you choose in this moment to allow only peace. Now, let the affirmations deepen. Say to yourself, I release all resistance to peace. I let go of the need to control. I surrender to the flow of tranquility. My body knows how to relax. My mind knows how to quiet. My heart knows how to be still. I am safe in this moment. I am held by the universe. I am a part of a greater harmony. Every cell in my body vibrates with peace. Every thought in my mind is the agent of relax. Every thought for light has softened. This is the... And now, bring to mind any area of your life where you've been seeking peace. Perhaps in your relationships, your work, your inner dialogue. In this lies that area bathed in the golden light of tranquility. In this light, all is well. In this light, peace prevails. Repeat after me. I am the master of my inner peace. I choose calm over chaos. Now I choose serenity over stress. I choose balance over imbalance. Every moment is an opportunity to return to peace. And I take that opportunity now. Let these words sink deep into your subconscious, where they become your new truth. Your subconscious mind knows exactly how to integrate this peace into every aspect of your life. It will guide your actions, your reactions, your choices, all from this place of calm. Now, I want you to imagine a gentle breeze moving through your body, from the crown of your head down to the tips of your toes. This breeze carries away any remaining tension, any lingering anxiety, any hidden stress. It leaves behind only peace, pure, unshakable peace. Feel the lightness in your limbs, the openness in your chest. Repeat after me. I am deeply, profoundly at peace. It deepens with every moment I allow it. I am a beacon of tranquility in a busy world. My presence brings calm to those around me. Feel the truth of this in your body. Your shoulders are soft. Your jaw is relaxed. Your hands are open. Your heart is open. This is the posture of peace. Receptive, gentle, strong. Now, let your awareness expand beyond your body, beyond this room, into the vastness of the universe. Feel the interconnectedness of all things, the rhythm of the stars, the pulse of the earth, the flow of the oceans. You are a part of this cosmic dance, moving in harmony with all that is. Peace is not just within you. It is woven into the fabric of existence itself. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, whisper to yourself, I am peace. I am calm. I am whole. I am enough. Let these words echo through the corridors of your mind, settling into every corner. They are not just words. They are your reality. They are the truth of who you are beneath the layers of worry and noise. Now, bring your hand back to your heart, where we anchored. You are now carrying this tranquility with you, like a secret treasure hidden in your chest. Nothing. It will accompany you into your day, into your interactions, into your challenges. And as we begin to remind you that no matter what happens, you have a well of calm within you that never runs dry. And as we begin to bring this meditation to a close, I invite you to slowly deepen your breath, not to rush, but to gently reawaken your awareness. Cool the ground beneath you, solid and supportive. Know that you are returning to your day refreshed, renewed, and deeply peaceful. In the days ahead, you'll notice this transformation unfolding naturally within you. Perhaps it's a moment of clarity, a surge of inner strength, or simply a deeper peace you hadn't felt before. These words have planted seeds deep in your subconscious, and that they will grow effortlessly in their own time. Each time you return to this practice, they grow stronger. Your transformation continues even now, beyond this meditation, woven into the fabric of your being. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this wisdom with you into your day. Until we meet again in stillness.